How to fix Facebook OTP problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings, and when you open settings, you will go directly to apps. And on apps guys, what you should do right now, just you will scroll down and search for Facebook. When you found it, just open it like this, and you will go to storage, and now go to clear data like this, and then click OK, and that's it, your problem it's fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.